And what about legal factors? Legal regulations apply to designs created and sold in Australia and may include safety regulations and standards that designers are required to adhere to. A product designer creating a toy for a small child, for example, will have strict safety regulations that have to be adhered to and that will impact their design decisions about the materials they can use and the actual components of the toy. They don't want to, for example, design too many parts that break off that may become a choking hazard. A graphic designer working on packaging for FMCGs, that is fast-moving consumer goods, need to be aware that their products by law must contain the nutritional information panel, and it must be legible. So as much as the designer may want to use exciting images and text and engaging design elements and principles, this panel has to be legible and included by law. So the designer has to factor this in when making decisions about the way these design elements and design principles are arranged on the packaging net. An architect has to consider the safety of their buildings when creating spaces that are inclusive for all. They'll have to design ramps, for example, to allow for people with mobility issues. And all designers are faced with the issues of copyright and attribution, both in their own work and when using the work of others. And there are other videos which explain copyright and attribution in more detail.